What is up, everybody? My name is Darren, and welcome to Stock Mafia. Yes, it's been about a month. And do I apologize for that? No, I do not. And let me tell you why. Because I told you guys that I would never come on this platform anymore after I started this whole thing if I didn't have something to say. But now I have something to say and something to talk about, and hopefully over the next 2 or 3 weeks before March 14th, or maybe even a little bit after that, we're going to start making some money. And that's all we want. That's all I want. I'm not day trading full time anymore because how can I in a market like this? So that's part of the reason that my time has been taken up. But like I said before, there's things that I want to talk about and I'll talk about them. And that's just how it is. And I don't want to waste anybody's time and I don't want my time wasted as well. So let's jump into it right now. First thing I want to talk about is Anterra. There's so much talk about how Adam Aaron sold that them 66 cents share, and then he let them off the hook and let them sell. I do believe that's the reason the ape is going down, but I don't believe it's the only reason. I do know, as I've said before, if you've known in my previous videos, I don't know how bad Adam Aaron wants us to squeeze, but I do know that Adam Aaron wants to make money. He wants us to be happy. He wants our share price to go up, and he wants to raise money for AMC, whether it's to acquire a company, merge with a company, put more money into his popcorn, things of that nature. So just understand that. But I will tell you this, that deal with Anterra, I don't know how legal that is, honestly. Because what I think he did was he said, hey, look, this is 66 cents. I know this is worth at least $3. You guys come in here, you buy it, it goes up to $3, you sell it, and as a part of the deal, you wipe the debt that I owe you. And that's kind of like a handshake thing. That's like me like calling up my buddy and going, "Yo, you owe me 10 grand. So if you like do this for me, and then you buy this stock that I think you should buy, and then you can turn around and sell it for 20 grand. We'll wipe the other 10 away. Does that sound like a good deal?" Yeah. All these handshake backdoor deals that they do, honestly, there is no regulation. Government allows these Wall Street guys and these CEOs to do whatever the hell they want. And the SEC is there to just be standing there being like, huh? What? We don't know about that. And they get some little rat boy like Gary Gensler, because he does look like a rat, to just talk his way out of anything with his gibberish. And, talk to Dave Lauer and his gibberish, because you could believe whatever you want about Dave Lauer, if he's good or bad. Personally, I think he doesn't have tough questions, and I think he's protecting his own interests while he's somewhat supporting household investors. I like that a lot better than retail. Household investors, or citizen investors, United States citizen investors or world investors. That's what we are. We're stronger than they are. Yes, we are winning. Well, always said that. Just good Lord, how long is this going to take? Let's jump into the next thing I want to talk about is popcorn. So we're looking at the popcorn thing with AMC. I think it's a good thing. I know we have earnings on the 28th. So Tuesday, Adam Aaron tweeted about the popcorn thing on the conveyor line, filling up the bags on Friday. And then today, which is when I'm filming this video, is Saturday, he posted a picture of the bags and the branding and how pretty it looks and how pretty it's going to look on the shelves. And to be perfectly honest with you, I'm going to buy AMC popcorn, because everybody that eats microwave popcorn, buy AMC. Why not? Support your company, support your investment. Yes, this is not a fundamental play, but we do need to be fundamentally strong to get our share price to go up and make shorts cover our stock and our shares so we can start making some money. Now, earnings coming up should be interesting, because in the past, and you guys know, or if this is just a refresher to remind you, Adam Aaron saves his big announcement, his big tweets before earnings. And these are just teasers. So popcorn to me right now, hopefully, crossing my fingers, that this is a teaser to something bigger than just, hey, we're putting popcorn on their shelves. Because honestly, no shit. We're the one that gave you the idea, and you took our money and you used it. And it's our money because we saved the company. The household investors saved the company, not Adam Aaron. He's no genius, but he has been given the tools, and hopefully he proves us wrong and becomes this genius Do I believe he's doing the right things by the company? Yes, I do. I believe in him, but I don't believe in him 100%. But I don't believe in anybody 100%. I don't even know if I believe in my own father 100%. But listen, trying to make I don't even believe in half the shit that comes out of my mouth 100%. So, that being said, let's see what Adam Aaron can do with what we have given him, which is obviously a shit ton of money. And if you guys have been following Ant's trades, which he's like my new fave, and people have been giving him a hard time. He came in like a bat out of hell, and it seems like the shills are kind of disrupting him. It's all good. I love Anthony. I think he's amazing. I think he's awesome. I do think he's funny. I do think if those people bother you, dude, don't live stream. Just saying. He has my full support. I like his theories. And listen, his charting is it's good. It's good. And he's on to something, because let's be honest, this is trading on an algorithm. It's not trading on supply and demand. The stock market doesn't trade on supply and demand. That's what we all thought. That's what I always thought. When I said, hey, I'm going to day trade full time, that's what I thought. Was it traded on supply and demand, and it also traded on volume. And, you know, if something's hot, maybe it's a Neo or it's an AMD or it's an NVIDIA, hot company, Microsoft, maybe that's hot. That's what I thought traded. That's how I thought the share prices went up. Man, have I been proven wrong, and I'm sure a lot of you will agree with me. So, Anthony, this goes out to you. Full support, brother. You're the man. Keep making the videos. Don't do it once a week. Tell people about your Discord. You know, charge people $10. I don't know, a quarter, a month, whatever. But we prefer to see the videos, and much love, man. I appreciate you, and love watching your videos, and keep it going. And clear the noise, dude. Zoom out. We always say it. Zoom out. Clear the noise. Because there's always going to be noise, because you're a threat. And once you're proven to be a threat, there's going to be a lot more noise. And you've blown up on the channel. And I'm like you. I honestly am not here for money on YouTube. And if you guys knew, like, you know, a 3,000 view video make like $8. That like gets you like a Frappuccino. So you can understand the motivation of pumping out videos all day long. I have no desire to be famous, but I do have a desire to make a lot of money through buying stocks, and certain ones, as you know which ones I'm usually talking about. Now, I do have my suspicions, and I will end this on this. Ape. And I want you guys to comment on this, and I'd love to hear what you have to say. Why is AMC going up and Ape going down? And you're like, well, that's just the way it was. Blah, blah, blah. Well, why I say that is Ape is the same as AMC. At least that's what we're being told. And that's what's going to happen when the split comes. But now I have a theory that AMC is going to run before the split happens. That's what I'm thinking. So, and I do believe that if AMC does run before the split, it would not surprise me in the least, because that they don't allow us to buy Ape. Because let's think about this. Let's say AMC runs to $200, $300. Pre-split. What are we all going to do? We're going to sell a little bit. And because we're loyal, and we know that AMC is a great company because they're paying off debt, fundamentally strong. They're fundamentally strong today. So just understand that. They're fundamentally strong today. They're going to pay off more debt, and they're going to do it when Ape rises. So do you think they're going to let Ape rise when AMC rips? Most likely not. But if Ape stays cheap, aren't a lot of apes going to sell some of their AMC and dive back into Ape? Sure they are. Why would these brokerages let that happen? Wouldn't they turn off the buy button? All I'm saying is zoom out and then zoom in and start looking for tricks and what they're going to do. Because for me right now, when they say buy Ape because it's worth the same as AMC, I just say, that's just too damn easy. Maybe that's my paranoid mind, but hey, we've been in this play long enough. How can we not be paranoid? So I'm glad I'm back. Hopefully I'll be making more videos as they come. Maybe 1 or 2 a week. That's my promise to you guys. But like I said, I'm not going to come on here and talk about Sam Bankman-Fried or any other nonsense. I'm only talking about AMC, GME, and squeezing these shorts out of these companies and out of the market because I think the whole market is shorted. So stay strong, stay positive. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one.